Today we're working on a boardwalk project in High School Park located in Elkins Park. It's the former site of the old Cheltenham High School, and within this meadow area that you see behind me, and it goes that way for another couple hundred yards. So this site used to be a high school, and they imploded the high school, and underneath the soil here is a bunch of construction debris. Brick, block, stone, everything you'd expect to find in an imploded building area. So the meadow was constructed on top of that site. So we really weren't able to get the depth that we needed for the appropriate footings without digging huge holes and disturbing all the work that's been put into making this meadow. So after a little bit of research, we came up with a different type of construction technique, is a floating deck. This floating deck from the top is deck boards to 2x8 joists bolted through a sill plate and the joist with this galvanized metal connector on top of a 2x8 sill plate, on top of a 12-inch diameter HDPE pipe, on top of 6 inches of stone. The rebar is in place to keep the deck from moving laterally. So as we get winter heaving and freezing and thawing and everything, this whole system is going to float and move around a little bit. So right now, Angel and Andrew are decking the observation point, which is an 8x8 turnaround area with a side angled piece that will eventually house a bench and some signage about birds and the plants in the meadow. Since the park is a township park, everything needs to be handicap accessible. So we had to take this ramp from 0 up to 2 feet and not exceed the pitch allowed by the ADA requirements. So that's our project in High School Park right now. It's been an interesting kind of construction technique. It took a little while to get it through the township. It's a little bit unconventional, but it will work, and it's a great project.